So Luis, can you take me through the steps? I know that you do a lot of detailing. You have other jobs that you do where you detail bigger boats and RVs and cars and trucks and
right.
Take me through why you prefer the Poli Glow system.
Okay, so
in a lot of cases.
So I get here and I'm gonna give this thing a, I'm gonna cut it with a compound and I'm gonna polish it and then I'm gonna do a little coat wax over it at the end. So right there I need two machines. I need a high-speed buffer, the wool pad, chance of burning through the paint, which there really isn't. Let's say this is already faded. So get up top, buffer, small trails this big. That's all I can apply.
Yeah.
Move it, do it, section by section, get all that done. Then I come back with a DA rotary machine, throw coat wax on it. After that, I'm wiping off again. All I'm reaching is whatever I can get on my ladder.
Right.
This big, I mean, yeah, you could do it, but it's gonna take you a lot longer. These corners underneath that awning, you're not fitting a DA through there. You're not fitting a high-speed buffer through there.
Right.
You'll notice it right away. Like, why is it, look underneath, it looks so faded. I mean, and those little spots add up.
Yeah.
You touch this black rubber, and that's turning white instantly. Because, wax can't hit this. You'll leave a mark, and it'll mar it.
But the Poli Glow will seal onto that. Right over it, seal it. Now, we don't have Poli Glow on this yet. There's a strip right here that we just started. But so the amount of work is more.
I'm doing like four other steps. I'm burning a lot more energy. I'm carrying machines. I'm moving this.
Yeah. So just to reiterate, it takes a lot more work, a lot more steps. You're carrying machines. You need electric.
Yeah. You
right.
also have to have the knowledge on how fast you're running your buffer. You burn right through your clear coat if you have any left.
Right.
Or you can, you can burn right through the paint.
Yeah.
Stickers. You'll burn them right through if you don't know what you're doing. Yeah. You're running at high speed.
Now, what about swirl marks? Can you leave swirl marks?
You leave a lot of buffer trails.
You leave a lot of buffer trails.
It all depends on your pad you're using. Yeah, there's a lot more factors and stuff that could go wrong with it.
Now, the nice thing about the mitt, as you were saying, is you can get in all the nooks and crannies. Like, this awning here, you can get underneath of all of those, angles and tight areas because of the mitt, right? Yeah, see, so that's all protected and sealed now. All of those rubber gaskets.
That's that.
Yeah, that's it. You're done.
That takes it pretty good. That'll take probably 2 coats and that'll be done.
Yeah.
If I hit this glass a little bit, just come back with a wet rag later and clean it off once it dries up. It's not going to affect anything. These corners right here.
Yep, done. Easy to get into.
Water sits in these all the time. You'll always see a little mark in there.
Yep.
That cleans it out. All this guy here with prep, liquid's going further than you can't spray compound. Compound isn't sprayed.
Right. You got to squirt it onto a pad.
Yeah, you have to squirt on a pad. And wherever you did touch is where you'll have it. And wherever you didn't apply enough pressure, you might see, right here, I didn't, the buffer didn't get in there. So, and then you won't notice that till the end with the prep. I'm hitting it big portion all at one time, and that's that.
Yeah, you mean with Poli Glow, you're hitting big portions at a time.
Big portions.
You get done faster, easier job. You can get into all the nooks and crannies. I mean, these are all the little things that the detailers and do-it-yourselfers.
It's the little spots that people don't notice.
That's right.
And that's what makes a difference is detailing.
Yeah, because you're trying to get through the job. You got maybe a couple jobs. Your do-it-yourselfer has probably a little bit more time to do it. You can get into some of the nooks and crannies.
You don't have to worry about this in the sun. Compound, if you leave compound in the sun and it sticks on there, you're going to have a real hard time getting compound out.
Yeah.
If you miss wax and you're up there wiping, it's a pain. I do it a lot. I do it all the time. But so I enjoy my weekends when I do get to do Poli Glow. I definitely enjoy it.
Awesome, brother. Awesome. All right, well, I'll let you guys get back to work. This has been great. Again, Master's Touch in Central and South Central Florida. Sure. It's the Luis Perez's, right? Father and son team.
Yeah, father and son team.
All right, I love it. Well, thank you again, Luis, for your time, and we'll catch you next weekend.
See you guys.
All right.